Hi friends, let's learn some yummy fruits in English and Chinese. Are you ready? Kiwi. Kiwi, fuzzy outside, green inside.
奇异果
Durian. Durian, it smells strong, but some people love it.
榴莲
Lychee. Lychee, sweet and juicy.
荔枝
Dragonfruit. Dragonfruit, pink outside, white inside with tiny black seeds.
火龙果
Passionfruit. Passionfruit, sweet and a little bit sour.
百香果
Plum. Plum, soft and purple.
李子
Wow, let's remember them one more time. Kiwi.
奇异果
Durian.
榴莲
Lychee.
荔枝
Dragonfruit.
火龙果
Passionfruit.
百香果
Plum.
李子
Great job! Hi parents, don't miss our free printable fruits and vegetables learning kit perfect for 1 to 3-year-olds. Click the link and enter $0 to download for free. No payment needed. Remember to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.